What up, broskies? Lars here, aka MotoBroo. Today we're going on a little recovery adventure. As you guys can see, my phone mount actually came off in my last pit bike video. So yeah, I'm trying to recover that right now. I saw in the video where it fell off, and it was like where I was struggling in that forest a little bit from my house. So we're just gonna head there right now and hopefully find it. Damn, I'm spinning so hard in this grass. We're gonna get a little jump on this. Alright, let's see if I can get a wheelie. I'm a little sketched out. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie and say my fall hasn't scared me a little, because since my fall, I feel like my wheelies have gone down a little. Since I'm freaking a little scared to fall again, but my bike is good, luckily. I really thought my bike was gonna break because, like, it was a pretty hard fall. Like, it didn't really look like it in the video, but I was going pretty fast. I was like almost top of the gear ratio in third. I don't know how the hell to say that. I was in third gear going pretty fast, and yeah, shit just went down. Alright, we're back in the forest. Now hopefully we can find my phone mount, because if not, bye-bye goes like $16. I think that's how much it was. Woo. Oh. I'm trying to find the trail. I think it's right here. Let me put my... Fuck all these spider webs. I hate these spider webs. They're freaking the worst. Alright. Alright, it's somewhere over here. I remember I was trying to find the trail. Oh my god. I just went through a spider web. Ah! It's all on my arm. I think I went through here. Not sure. Oh! Try to do a wheelie, and I think it's somewhere over here. Like, my kickstand broke in the crash, unfortunately, so I have to find places to put my bike now. Where the hell was it? I think it was right here. Right? Oh, yeah, I see my track. I see burnout tracks for me, so I'm on the right path. There it is. Woo! Oh yeah, we found it. Guys, it's still here. After, I think it's been like 3 days. After 3 days, my phone mount is still alive. Oh my god, what a beautiful moment. Oh yeah. Boom! We good! Holy crap, my phone mount is like... There we go. Gotta be in first gear, right? Oh crap! I got a stick stuck. Well, I'm just trailing a stick. OMG, that's super fun. Let's keep going down this trail a little. Woo! But hell yeah, I'm stoked I got the phone mount back. I sort of thought, I was like, damn, I don't know if I'm gonna... That was cool too. I didn't think I was gonna find it. I was like, oh no, you know, you always got those thoughts like, yeah, I'm probably not gonna find it, but whatever. I found it. I just hit these roots on that wheelie. Aww. For Valentine's, someone put, since yesterday was Valentine's Day, someone put M plus something. Well, I'm gonna give you a MB donut real quick. MB! MB for life. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just made this like a little MB logo. But whoa. Imagine if someone took a cover off that drain. That'd be, oh, that'd not be good. Oh shit, wheelie. Oh yeah, that's a pretty nice wheelie. That was... Chill, chill. Oh, there's a jump. Oh, some air right there. Let's hit a 360 wheelie at this stop sign. That was a 180. Oh, stop sign. .360 stop sign, bruh. We got a road bicyclist. Alrighty guys, so as you guys saw, my audio somehow got unplugged, but if you guys like this video, don't forget the like button. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments what you want to see. MotoBroo out. Have a wonderful day. Oh crap. I was just gonna hang 5. But alright, MotoBroo out. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Hey, looky. There's a Sabrosa street rail just sitting here. Might as well do some tricks on it real quick. Woo! That was an ice pick. Alright, let's get a hanger up. Ooh, that was a nice hanger.